Thanks for joining this how-to video brought to you by Salesforce Support. In this video, we'll learn how to add order on behalf of Flow to an object page. In Setup, enter actions and recommendations in the Quick Find box. Select New Deployment, then click Next. Enter a name for the deployment, and make sure Flows and Quick Actions are selected. If recommendation is selected, deselect it. Then click Next. Add account to the selected objects list, and click Next. From the Default tab, drag the flow you created in the previous step to the top pinned section. Select the flow, and click Unmark Removable. Click Next. Then click Save. Now let's go to the account record page. From the Setup menu, select Edit Page. Select the Actions and Recommendations component and move it to the page. Select the deployment you just created. And click Save. Click Activation. Then Save. Assign the page as the org default. Click Save. And we're done. To learn more, check out the other videos in this series. Search for topics in Salesforce Help. Or come join us on the trail at trailhead.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching!